Is this Anua Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil worth your hard-earned money? I'm Dr. Sina, a UK-based consultant, board-certified dermatologist, and I'm going to answer those hard questions you want answering before buying the product, so you can make an informed decision. Right, so it comes in a 200ml size plastic bottle in this paper-based packaging. It doesn't have any vegan or Leaping Bunny certifications on the packaging. So some websites say it's vegan but not cruelty-free, some say it's both, but sadly their official site does not really make it obvious. The instructions on the box are a bit suitably vague, saying to use an appropriate amount. They could have been a bit more specific, but I suppose it does vary between individuals. It comes in a convenient pump action mechanism, and at 200ml I would say anything less than this volume-wise is just not really great value for money. They charge a cool $20 for this 200ml, which is right at that upper end of the value range, maybe in that mid-range. Certainly there are a lot of products which undercut it. So how would you use the Anua Heartleaf Cleansing Oil? Well, I would do a couple of squirts onto the palm, gently pat your hands together and apply to a dry face, and then you can rinse with lukewarm water. So let's do a bit of a texture test here. As you can see, quite oily. It smells quite a lot of spas smell like this. I think it's that jojoba oil that they put in it, and you can quite clearly tell it's fragranced. So what are some key ingredients to look out for in the Anua Heartleaf Oil Cleanser? Now, in accordance with its name, it's got quite a lot of oils in its ingredients list. We've got olive, jojoba, macadamia, sunflower, grapeseed, many oils. Now, it's particularly useful for dry or barrier impaired skin, which lacks natural oils. And it's definitely a use case for this product. Secondly, fragrance. This product does feature fragrance or perfume. It is not fragrance free. And fragrance features 6th in the INCI list, which essentially measures the amount of the ingredient in the actual product from highest to lowest. And this is quite high up. Now, its top ingredient in the INCI list is ethyl hexyl palmitate, which is a skin softener or emollient. Now, this one is interesting. The highly respected website INCI Decoder lists it quite high in their rating on comedogenicity, so the chance of instigating a breakout or blocking pores. At the end of the day, it's hard to accurately grade comedogenicity. Yet the fact that this product markets itself to clear pores, yet has a few comedogenic ingredients, is a bit of a contradiction. Right, so who is the Anua Heartleaf Cleansing Oil actually good for? Firstly, I'd say if you have acne or breakout-prone skin, this product is probably not the one for you. You may be more suited to a foaming cleanser like the CeraVe cleanser for normal to oily skin. However, if you have dry to normal skin texture, this may be one to try out. Particularly for dry skin, this could work out well as a first step in a skincare routine paired with a good facial moisturizer. Finally, would I put this in my skincare routine? So I have normal skin texture with the occasional odd pimple, as you can see here, and I prefer fragrance-free cleansers, so in my own personal routine I probably wouldn't, although if I had really dry skin I may consider it. So there you have it. I hope that this video was helpful if you're considering buying this cleansing oil. If you found it useful, please give me a like and subscribe for more of these skincare videos.